will allow plants to go and feed astronauts on the moon. A terrarium is a sealed container with a closed habitat for the plants to grow. It will help make a water cycle in the terrarium and looks after itself. A lunar terrarium will help a human's life on the moon. Now let's make a terrarium. First you need a see-through container and lid, like this. Next you need to add gravel layers. Gravel layer is made up of small stones. This layer will hold the water in our terrarium. Next we are going to use some green mesh to separate the stones from the top layer, the top gravel layer. Now let's place a layer of charcoal on the mesh. This will help to separate the water from the soil. So this is the charcoal. It's really black. I got the soil. It looks like all there's worms in there, but there's no worms. It looks like all the worms. Now it's the fun part, planting. Yes. So we're going to plant different kinds of plants. So first we have mint. I like it in my soup since it's nice. And now we have some mesh. Yeah. And then we have some like decorations for our beautiful plants for our terrarium. And we have more mesh. So let's plant it now. My favorite part. Okay, first we're going to do our mint. Okay, so I'm just going to put the heart. To complete the build, add some water to make sure you don't water it too much. Then we can leave it next to the window and start the water sink. So here's the water. Only a bit, not so much. Now, if you see raindrops on the glass all day long, you know that you have put too much water. You can wipe off any exits. So let's put on the lid, or then it won't work. I chose a big container so it can. So let's go put it next to the window. For 2 weeks. All the little sprouts have grown really big.